abnormal profit under PCM in a short run period of production. This is step by step. So we are going to start like this. Introduce y-axis, then introduce x-axis. Then name this as a price or cost. Zero, this is quantity. From there, introduce a price line, which price indicates, which this line also indicates average revenue equal to marginal revenue equal to demand. From there, introduce marginal cost curve. Then introduce the equilibrium output. Remember, this is equilibrium price. From there, we are going to introduce the cost line. From there, we are going to introduce the average cost curve, or the average total cost curve, like this. When we reach here, remember, this is the point where average cost curve or average total cost curve reach its minimum, and at that point is the point where marginal cost cuts through average cost. So like this. Wow, this is the average cost or average total cost. So from there, the work is done. The work is simple. So we are going to shade out. Why are we going to shade out? Because we want to show out where is the point of abnormal profit. So the shaded area, PC, maybe let's name here MN. The shaded area PCMN represents the portion of supernormal profit or abnormal profit. Remember, I said before, the difference between average cost curve and average revenue, the space over there is the space which represents the abnormal profit or supernormal profit. So the thing is very simple. Uhitaji kucomplicate, mambo ni rahisi sana. Kama jinsi unavyoona, una introduce y-axis, then una introduce x-axis, then una introduce price line ambayo ina represent average revenue, marginal revenue ambayo ni sawa na demand. Then from there una introduce cost line ambayo ni line ambayo ina represent costs. From there una draw average cost. Kumbuka, marginal cost and average cost, all these are U-shaped. So we introduce marginal cost, then we introduce average cost. Also, some student can come to me and ask me, sir, how is it possible? Sir, I don't understand about this. So the point here is, remember, you don't need to claim, you need to understand. This point and this point, both points